I did them on Sunday. I've been thinking about it for a little while now, and I was actually contemplating about actually doing the real locks because I just love how they look. I love how easy life is, and they look so beautiful on natural hair. And so I've been thinking about it. I decided to put these in because I was about to just do the real thing, but I decided to do the Faux Locs, the Faux Locs, or whatever you call it, because I've seen it around, like it's just like floating everywhere. But I've liked this for ages, and I decided to do them. My concern was the weight of it, because I've heard so many people say how heavy it is on the hair, and because my scalp is so sensitive, I didn't really want to cause any harm on my scalp. So I really thought about what I was going to do, how I was going to do it without it being so heavy on their hair. So I decided to take wider sections, and I used 4 packs of the Soft and Silk Afro Natural. I used 4 packets. I used some 1Bs, some 2s, and a 4, but the 4 wasn't nice, it was too bright. So I decided to keep to the dark, so I used 2 and 1Bs, and I used 4 packs of these, and not even 4 packs, I used about just under 4 packs. And the amount of hair I used on each section was 1 for the twisting. I did the Havana twists with 1 of these, and then I used just 1 of these to wrap around the hair. So my hair does not feel heavy at all. It feels really light. Sunday I did them, and it felt a little bit tender, but I really ensured that I did it like a good inch away from my scalp, so that it didn't feel so tight. And also I prefer them to look like this anyway from the roots, because it just looks more natural. It doesn't look like it's just been done. It looks lovely on you know, the sisters and everything, but I don't need to have that on my scalp, that tension, and I don't really need it to look that neat on my scalp. I prefer it to look like it's just been worn in. So that's how it looks on my hair. If you are interested to see how I did them, please stay tuned. subscribing, ladies. I haven't been here since January, but you guys have been subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Alright guys, take care.